Hello everyone, and today I have with me Harleen, CA Final September 25, All India Rank 9. Congratulations, Harleen, and how
Thank you.
have been your emotions uh, till now?
Thank you so much, sir. Yesterday, I wasn't able to digest this feeling. Today, since morning, I'm not able to stop smiling. And today, it's sinking in that it's finally done in the best way possible.
Chalo, very, very nice. I'm sure that everyone in your family also is very happy and uh, uh, you've done a great job. So tell us about your journey, Harleen. I understand you started as a science student, right? तो आपने
Yes.
कॉमर्स पे कैसे पिवट किया सीए एंड हाउ डिड यू पुल दिस ऑफ?
So I had PCM in my 12th because I had interest in those subjects. I was not clear what I want to do in future. So just interest था तो ले लिया. And after 12th, normally people go to DU. So I also joined DU. I did BSc Maths honors, but I couldn't survive in DU culture. It was not made for me, I would say. So I started looking out for other opportunities. And my mom always wanted me to do CA. In 11th, 12th also, she wanted me to pursue commerce and do CA. बट एट दैट पॉइंट आई डेंट वांट टू डू सीए क्योंकि उसमें था कि बहुत पढ़ना पड़ेगा, घर पे रहना होता है बहुत साल। आई डेंट नो आर्टिकलशिप का बाहर जा सकते हैं और वो सब। तो
ओके
आई हैड दैट मिथ। तो इसलिए आई डेंट वांट टू डू सीए इनिशियली, बट तब ऑल्टरनेट करियर में सीए अच्छा लगा, अकाउंट्स पढ़ना स्टार्ट किया। 11th 12th का देखा पहले, आई हैड इंटरेस्ट इन मैथ्स एंड नंबर्स, तो आई गेन्ड इंटरेस्ट इन इट एंड एंडेड अप डूइंग सीए।
चलो दैट्स वेरी गुड सो इट एंडेड अप क्वाइट वेल एंड जैसे आपने फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग है सो फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग में आपने जैसे मटेरियल जो पूरा किया आपने अपने खुद के नोट्स बनाए या फिर कैसे आपने फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग जैसा पेपर हैंडल किया?
आई रेफर्ड योर कॉन्सेप्ट नोट्स कंप्लीटली, कुछ और नहीं। क्वेश्चंस में एक बार आई डिड मॉड्यूल के क्वेश्चंस, आई जस्ट टैलीड, बट आई रियलाइज कि सब कुछ है क्वेश्चन बैंक में एंड आई स्टिक टू दैट ओनली। एक्स्ट्रा ही था क्वेश्चन बैंक में, नथिंग लेस, एंड एवरीथिंग वाज कवर्ड। तो आई रेफर्ड कंप्लीटली टू योर बुक्स। आईबीएस में भी आई ओनली टुक योर बुक्स, तो इट
ओके
वाज कंप्लीटली योर बुक्स।
चलो दैट्स वेरी नाइस एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ शील्ड आपको शील्ड का जो यानी मॉड्यूल्स जैसे एफआर में 5 मॉड्यूल्स है तो शील्ड में आपने अपने शील्ड को ही बेस माना या फिर आपने अपने खुद के नोट सेपरेटली बनाए फिर?
शील्ड को ही बेस माना, उसमें कुछ एक्स्ट्रा मिलता था तो आई एडेड इट, स्टिकी नोट्स या फिर हैंड रिटन लिख लिया, बट दैट वाज द कंप्लीट थिंग आई रेफर्ड।
Okay, okay. And in terms of your CA final, you have scored a 9 AIR 9 single digit rank. So, I mean, if you can just share your journey or experience on how you kind of reach this goal, if you're comfortable.
So I'll start with foundation itself. I didn't prepare much for foundation. Like accounts was a completely new subject for me. I didn't give any mock. So the first account exam I wrote was foundation का exam. And
Okay.
I didn't know at that point कि balance sheet match नहीं होती, accounts में mismatch होते हैं. तो that got messed up and my accounts paper didn't go so well. And I was like कि नहीं होगा मुझसे CA. And I started looking out for other opportunities at that point. But when the result came out, it was positive. And I realized that if I can clear foundation with less preparation, I can do much more. So inter mein I got serious about studies and ended up achieving a rank. But I was like तब और ज़्यादा करना है, finals में अलग कुछ करना है. तो I started my articleship and finals के लिए prepare किया. I had in mind कि AIR one लाना है, to be honest. And I studied every day after office, whenever I could get time for entire 3 years, 2.5 years of articleship. Originally, my first attempt was in May 2024, and I prepared well for it.
Okay.
My study leave started in December, and I
Okay.
studied for entire 5 6 months. In April, my health started going down, but I didn't focus on it. I was like कि ठीक है, stress की वजह से हो रहा है. My body started heating up. I was having fever every other day, and ignored it completely. I went for the exams. I gave FR, AFM. Audit में we had a 3 day gap in May 24, and I am someone like कि पूरे टाइम पढ़ते हैं, नींद पूरी नहीं करते. I was someone like that. So I didn't sleep well for those 3 days, and I had fever. I was not well, and I ended up having anxiety attack, or I fainted a few hours before audit exam, and I was hospitalized, and turned out I had dengue. And I couldn't give further exams. I just gave FR and AFM, and I scored FR में at that point 70 and AFM में 90. Then I didn't understand at that point कि मैंने गलत किया है. I should focus on everything. I should keep a balance. I was like कि भगवान ने किया है तो I could have done better. I will score better than this 70 and 90 से, and sub subjects में I will aim for even higher marks. And I kept on studying, didn't focus on sleep and balance. November में FR I gave the exam. It didn't go so well. I realized I have done a mistake in ESOP का question. There was 8 mark question, तो वो पूरा गलत हो गया था. AFM में the paper was a bit trickier than Me 24, and I was like कि ज़्यादा लाने हैं 90 से. So I had a breakdown, anxiety attack, or I don't know what that was, and I couldn't stop crying for those entire 3 hours. I wrote the paper entirely, but I didn't know क्या किया है. And I kept crying for 2-3 hours after that. After I came home, I couldn't study. I couldn't even open my books. And seeing that, my parents told me that let's leave CA. It was causing a lot to me mentally, physically. And then I decided to drop CA, and I looked for other opportunities. I scored good in May, November 24 also. Like FR was 70 only and AFM is 78. But at that point, I didn't know. But that was the decision, ki let's leave CA. And I switched to other opportunities. But then September attempt came as a blessing, because it was not clashing with my other plans that I had, CAT and everything. So I decided to give it a go, and I ultimately gave it. Like in the middle of the exams also, I was
History.
just like
I
कि
might.
नहीं सोचना, जो करना है कर ले, हो गया.
नहीं, it is, I mean, it is very, very inspiring actually, and also something that you could stick through. आपने इतना सारा फेस किया उसके बाद भी that commitment that you have, this is something that is very, very helpful, and to everyone who is even listening. And probably there would be places where this course might feel to be taxing, and uh, it is important that you strike a balance with your health as well. You ensure that you balance out everything, but at the same time, looking at what you have done, Harleen, I think a lot of people can draw inspiration, and more power to you. And a lot of, I mean, I'm lost for words for what you have, the magnitude of what you have achieved is truly, truly remarkable. And uh, I hope your health and everything is well right now.
Yes, sir. I focused entirely on my health. Like till
Okay.
August mid, I guess I kept doing something physical workout. I kept myself active. I didn't focus much on इतने घंटे पढ़ना है या क्या करना है. I kept balances this time. That's what I learned
Correct, correct,
finally.
correct. So what would be जैसे आप learnings है, चलो एक तो I mean this is a very important aspect जो ignore हो जाता है, because सब लोग जो डिस्कस करते हैं कि भाई हमने कितने रिविजन्स करने हैं, कितने घंटे पढ़ने हैं, कितनी बार कभी लेक्चर देखना है. बट लेट अस से इफ वी काइंड ऑफ डाइग्रेस अ लिटिल, एंड अगर आपने जो एक्सपीरियंस किया है उसमें से आपकी जो अगर कोई लर्निंग्स है जो आप शेयर करना चाहते हो, व्हाट वुड दैट बी?
Don't focus on number of hours you are studying. I was studying for 14-15 hours for May and November and ended up ruining my health. And इस बार I didn't focus on hours only, but maximum I could do was 10 hours. I could not go over that, maintaining a balance. So don't get influenced कि इतने घंटे पढ़ना है और इतने घंटे पढ़ना है. Revisions are very important. Tests are very important, because and tests को analyze करना is important. सिर्फ दे दिया, marks देख लिए, that's not it. You should look forward to कैसे improve कर सकते हैं, and staying mentally strong. This course tests a lot mentally, and once you get into the attempt का loop ना, we start comparing कि पिछले attempt में अच्छा हुआ था, इस attempt में अच्छा नहीं हुआ, खराब हो रहा है सब, and वो खुद के लिए mentally बहुत खराब हो जाता है. So that's what I learned.
तो टेल मी, आपने जो पहले 2 बार एग्जाम्स दिए और ये टाइम जब भी आप एग्जाम्स देने गए, सो दिस वुड बी प्लेइंग इन योर माइंड, राइट? सो आपने ये टाइम 6 पेपर क्या माइंड फ्रेम और क्या माइंडसेट रख के कंप्लीट किए विद कॉन्फिडेंस? व्हाट वाज योर मंत्रा ड्यूरिंग दीज 6 पेपर्स?
Personally, for FR, in the previous 2 attempt I was not able to do good in question 1. तो मेरा main focus इस बार था कि consolidation को अच्छे से करना है. तो I did that, but इस बार भी same हुआ कि I was not able to completely attempt it. It was थोड़े से adjustments करे, attempt किया, but पूरा नहीं हो पाया. Plus इस बार MCQs भी थोड़े खराब हो गए. And हर बार what I did wrong was कि exam से आते साथ I used to calculate my marks कितने बैठ रहे, YouTube videos देख के और सब कुछ करके. And this time I didn't do that. कि ठीक है, ICI का काम है evaluate करना, let them do it. I will just give my best. So that's what I did. AFM में
And in
on the other
general,
hand,
फिर आपने जो momentum, yeah, sorry, I'm saying across papers because last 2 attempts में आपने
only
2
2
papers
papers I
दिए थे,
gave.
right?
तो
So
हाँ.
now, yeah. So how did you pull this off in all 6 papers this time?
तो AFM का only I had एक और बार की previous experience था. AFM में the paper was easy this time. तो and lengthy भी नहीं था. तो I focused on attempting 114 marks का rather than focusing on कितने marks का आ रहा है. I focused on attempting for 114 marks and I did it. Accuracy का नहीं पता था उस time पे, but thankfully I scored good in that. तो mainly वही दो ही था. But इस बार I did this thing कि खुद कैलकुलेट नहीं करने मार्क्स, कोई यूट्यूब वीडियो रेफर नहीं करनी, कैसा था पेपर, इजी था, हार्ड था.
Okay, that's very nice. And in terms of जैसे आप जब भी आप रिवाइज करते थे या प्रैक्टिस करते थे, would you do a lot of pen and paper work और आप sums go through करते थे?
I used to scribble solutions a lot. Like if same type के है, फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स में देर आर काफी क्वेश्चन सेम टाइप के, एम्बेडेड डेरिवेटिव्स और डेरिवेटिव्स का उसमें सेम टाइप के, तो एक कर लिया व्हिच आई यूज्ड टू फाइंड द मोस्ट कॉम्प्लेक्स, एंड बाकी का देख लिया, मतलब मेन डिजिट्स, बिकॉज एफआर वाज नॉट माय स्ट्रॉन्ग सब्जेक्ट कंसीडरिंग आई वाज फ्रॉम साइंस. तो एफआर में आई डिड अ लॉट ऑफ स्क्रिबल रिविजन, स्क्रिबल प्रैक्टिस, एंड आई यूज्ड टू कैलकुलेट एटलीस्ट कैलकुलेटर से और स्क्रिबल करके, एंड प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट में भी थोड़े से क्वेश्चंस किए थे, एंड मॉक टेस्ट.
ओके. एंड आप जैसे सोशल मीडिया वगैरह पे प्रेजेंट थे या यू काइंड ऑफ रिस्ट्रिक्ट योर सोशल मीडिया एक्सेस?
I am the type of person who can't balance things. Like if I'm studying, I can only study. If I get on social media, मैं नहीं पढ़ पाऊंगी. So I deactivated everything. I even uninstalled WhatsApp for my May and November, and that turned out to be bad. So I was on WhatsApp only, but I was not in contact with anyone. I was in contact with just few of my friends, and that's all. No Instagram or anything.
WhatsApp is not social media, right? WhatsApp
But that time I was like, no, that I did wrong. I agree.
Okay. Anything else, I mean, that you would want to share with your students? Any words of wisdom from your experience जो आप share कर सकते हो?
It is
What was the
going to be
traits?
mentally. CA is something that not only tests us academically, it also tests us mentally. Because those 1.5 days, we ended up not sleeping and all of that. We compare ourselves. We see YouTube videos ki easy tha paper, but we find it difficult. And we don't know ICI ka marks ka system kya hoga. So we should not do that. We should just focus on giving our best, not getting influenced by anyone ki kisi ki preparation kya ho rahi hai. Do as much revisions as possible. Focus on your weaker subjects. I focused on FR a lot. And it is mentally hard, but it is worth not giving up. I'm glad that I didn't give up.
So I would say आपके लिए जो perseverance और आपने जो consistency रखा is something that I'm sure you will look back, and this is such a proud moment, and I think AR9 also is not doing justice to what you have kind of gone through and what you have achieved. So it is all credit to you and your parents for sticking around as well. So thanks a lot, Harleen, for sharing your experience and also guiding students in terms of their way forward. You are an inspiration, at least for me, for sure.
Thank you so much, sir.
Very nice, and good luck for all your future endeavors and for everything that you do in the future.
Thank you so much, sir.